Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have another recipe for you. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? I have a serious obsession with Korean food, Japanese food, Malaysian, Thai, and the list goes on. So today I'm sharing with you guys one of my favorites because it's super quick, because it's fast, and it goes with absolutely anything, and that is ta-da-da-da, Korean flanken short ribs. So I would say this is made in a sweet sauce and it's marinated overnight. The longer you marinate it, the more the flavors infuse into the ribs and just the better that it tastes. And then we grill that on the pan to get that lovely sear, and then everything that's left off of the marinade will make it into a super delicious sauce, which can be served with rice, in lettuce wraps, with noodles. So enough of me rambling. If you have not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get straight into the video.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
So here are our lovely ingredients for today's dish. We will be using Shaoxing cooking wine, sesame oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, meat seasoning, brown sugar, MSG, scallion, brown onion, and Asian pear. I couldn't find any at the time, so I used the ripe pear instead. Chilies, garlic, ginger, and the star of the show are these short ribs that have been cut into flanks. To clean my ribs, I soaked them in some salt water to draw out as much blood as possible, and then I gave them a good old rinse. And now we're gonna prepare the marinade. So I've got here my onions. We don't waste anything over here, so make sure you get every single drop. And then we add our scallions, guys. Onions, ginger, garlic is like the holy trinity. Then we add on our pear. Don't be greedy here, guys. Add everything. The more the merrier, the better. Add your chilies and give that a rough mix so that it covers all of the meat. And then we're going to add our, wet ingredients. Brown sugar, meat seasoning, the cooking wines, the oils, the salt, the MSG. Just add everything and give it all a good rub to blend in together. Now we're going to leave that to marinate in the fridge overnight, but if you don't have time, it's okay, a few hours would do. And then once that's all done, we're going to heat up a pan with some oil and give our beef a good old sear. So you want it to be brown on both sides. And then once that's done, we're going to pop that in the air fryer on 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Guys, let me say, if your flanks are cut thinly, then it shouldn't take too long to cook. But if you're like me, who prefers a really soft and tender meat, sometimes what I do is put this in the pressure cooker to cook down and to become super tender. Now to make the sauce, we're going to use everything that was left from the marinade, including all the chunks, all the lumps, and we're going to pour that into the same pan and let that cook down. I did add some water to increase the amount of the gravy and let that cook down. Have a taste. If you feel to add more seasonings, do so. I don't really. I probably just add a little bit of salt, and Bob's your uncle. Plating up is like one of my faves because you're able to make it look as good as you want. I obviously dressed this up with some sesame seeds, some scallions, chili flakes, and voila, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said before, subscribe and like for more. See you soon.